So this is the PowerPoint presentation of the project we did. So for the project info, Ground Zero, this project, Ground Zero, was a relatively easy project that we did to get comfortable with the most basic functions of Excel. I took handfuls of M&Ms, put them in a cup, tallied them, plugged the data into Excel, and then, using the data I gathered, I made two graphs that portrayed different pieces of information. Finally, after I was done with the graphs, I plugged my charts into a Word document and this PowerPoint presentation. So this is my original graph of just colors lining up against each other. Next, please. So this is explaining my first graph. The previous graph was a 2D bar graph. The purpose of the graph was to compare the total number of peanut M&Ms and the total number of milk chocolate M&Ms. By looking at the graph, you can see that there are more milk chocolate M&Ms. The graph also provides information about which colors were the most abundant. In this case, the most abundant milk chocolate color was green, and the most abundant peanut color was blue. Next one. This is my second graph. It's comparing the percentages of which colors made up the most. Once again, the previous graph was a 2D bar graph. The purpose of the graph was to display what percentage of the total each color made up. Green made up 24% of the milk chocolate M&Ms, and blue made up 24% of the peanut M&Ms. This graph is just one example of how to turn data into useful information. Conclusion. I found this project to be a simple, fun project. Although the projects will gradually get more difficult, Excel will progressively become more familiar to me, which will make the projects a lot easier. In conclusion, after doing this project, it is easy to say that Excel is a very useful app that can perform a wide range of functions. Thank you.